So, welcome to Ariana's Inn in Butuan City. So, ayan, kailangan meron kang key card para ma-open mo ang iyong room. So, this is a twin deluxe room. And, ayan, that's the room. A bed. So, here's the CR. Ayan. Ang aking anak, pinapalamig niya ng room. And then, they have this TV, table. Oops. So, yung outside niya, yung view is very relaxing. Napakaganda dito. So, this is Ariana.